Today we talk about independent events. We say that A and B are independent events if and only if that the probability of the intersections of these two A and B is actually the product of A and B. Another word, to think about it, independent means that the outcome of B is really not affected by the outcome of A. Okay. So now we're going to look at an example of how we can use this idea of independent. So remember again once more that independent here, A and B are not mutually exhaustive because this number do not add up to 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 is only 5. 5 over 8 is not equal to 1. There's something outside here because this is 5 over 8. So it's 3 over 8 outside the A and B. Probability of A is just this. That is 3/8 plus 1/8 and the next probability of B. Well, probability of B is this thing over here, which is 1/8 plus 1/8, which is 2/8. The answer is a quarter. So now we have to use this number and check what is probability of A times probability of B. Well, we have half times a quarter, which is 1/8, which is precisely this area over here. So this is equal to the intersection of A and B. Let's look at another example. Independent do not mean that this A and B have no intersection. This particular case of A and B have no intersection is called mutually exclusive. Be aware of this. Now I prefer to draw a Venn diagram, fill in the information. Right? This is the universe. We have A and B, like that. And A union B is half. So what we can do then, we can say, well, this is A, that's my B. And I'm going to call the intersection here X. And what I have here is 2/5 minus X. So if 2/5 minus X plus X, then the whole thing is equal to 2/5, for example. And this part here, B, that will be 1/3 minus X, because 1/3 minus X plus X is equal to 1/3. Alright? So how do we go about doing the work here? So A union B is equal to half. So what I have now is 2 over 5, right, minus X plus 1 over third minus X. This has to be equal to 1/2 because A union B is equal to 1/2. So that is just 2/5 plus 1/3 minus half is equal to half. Or another word, X is equal to 2/5 plus 1/3 minus half. The equation here is 7 out of 30. So A intersect B here is 7 over 30. That is the intersection. Right? And A intersect not B. This means not B. So A and not B. Well, where is A and not B? So first we have to find what A is. So here's A and not B. This part is B. So basically I'm looking at this area. The yellow part is what I want. A and not B. So 3 to 5, 5 over 30, 4, 1 over 6. So not B is 0.4. Again, I would like to draw a Venn diagram because it helps to visualize what is going on. So here I have A and B. And for this type of question, it's usually good to start from the intersection. So here's given that this is 0.1 in the intersection, A intersect B. And then it says A intersect not B. A and not B. over here is A and not B. So it's this part. Well, A and not B, according to this, is 0.4. 0.4. Right, so if A and B are independent, so we are given that A and B are independent. So if A and B are independent, then like I said, probability of A intersect B is equal to probability of A times probability of B. Right, times. So probability of A intersect B in this case is 0.11, that's given. Probability of A, from here you can see that is 0.4 plus 0.1. 0.4 plus 0.1. And I do not know what probability of B is at the moment. So this is 0.5 times probability of B. And here's 0.1. So probability of B, therefore, can be calculated. This is 1 over 5. 0.1 over 0.5, 1/5. So which is 0.2. So now I know, because it's 0.2, the intersection is already 0.1, so the rest is to gain 0.1. So 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, that means outside of A and B is 0.4. So now I'm going to do this question. A union not B. Everything in A, union not B. So everything in A, union not B means including everything that is outside B. 1 minus this little bit here, 0.1. So the answer is 0.9. A union not B. Next is, what is the probability of A union B? Well, A union B in this case is easy to see. So this is the thing that we have to be considering. A union B. So that is just going to be 1 minus 0.4, which is 0.6. Thank you very much.